Ever find yourself drowning in the tedious task of manually adding product after product to your Shopify store? Spending hours copying descriptions, downloading images, and adjusting prices? What if I told you there's a way to kiss those time-consuming tasks goodbye and focus on what truly matters? Growing your business. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing tool for dropshippers using Shopify, Oberlo. Now, some of you might already be familiar with Oberlo, but for those who aren't, or for those who want to unlock its full potential, you're in for a treat. Imagine this. You found a fantastic product on AliExpress that you know your customers will love. Instead of painstakingly copying every detail, you can import it to your store with just a few clicks. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's the power of automation, and Oberlo is your key to unlocking it. In this video, we're going to walk through the entire process of automating your product imports using Oberlo. We'll cover everything from connecting Oberlo to your Shopify store to customizing product details, and even setting up automated pricing rules. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Oberlo can revolutionize your dropshipping workflow and free up valuable time. So, let's start at the very beginning, connecting Oberlo to your Shopify store. If you haven't already done this, don't worry, it's a breeze. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Oberlo. Once you find it, simply click Add App. Shopify will then prompt you to authorize Oberlo to access your store. Click Install App. And just like that, Oberlo is integrated with your Shopify platform. Now that Oberlo is connected, let's explore the magic of importing products. There are a couple of ways to do this. The most common method is through the Oberlo dashboard. Once you're inside the Oberlo app, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can directly search for products from AliExpress. You can filter your search by various criteria like price range, shipping options, and supplier ratings to find the perfect products for your niche. Once you've found a product you like, simply hover over it and click the Add to Import List button. This adds the product to a separate list within Oberlo where you can review and edit its details before it goes live on your store. Alternatively, if you're browsing AliExpress directly and stumble upon a product you want to import, Oberlo offers a convenient Chrome extension. Once installed, this extension allows you to import products directly from the AliExpress product page with a single click, saving you even more time. Now, let's talk about customizing those imported product details. This is a crucial step because you don't want your store to simply mirror the AliExpress product page. You want to create compelling product listings that resonate with your target audience. When you access the import list in Oberlo, you'll see the products you've added. Click on a product to edit its details. Here, you can change the product title to something more catchy and descriptive. You can also craft unique product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of the product, rather than just copying the supplier's text. Remember, well-written descriptions can significantly impact your conversion rates. Next up are the variants. If the product comes in different sizes, colors, or materials, you'll see these listed as variants. You can edit the names of these variants to be more user-friendly and even adjust the prices for each variant individually. Speaking of prices, Oberlo gives you powerful tools to automate your pricing strategy. Instead of manually setting prices for each product, you can create pricing rules. For example, you can set a rule to automatically mark up the cost price by a certain percentage or a fixed amount. You can even create different pricing rules for different collections or product types. This ensures consistent profit margins without the manual hassle of adjusting prices every time a supplier's price changes. Images are another critical aspect of your product listings. Oberlo automatically imports the images from the AliExpress listing. However, you have the flexibility to choose which images you want to display on your store and even edit them if needed. High-quality, visually appealing images are essential for attracting customers and showcasing your products effectively. Once you're satisfied with all the details, simply click the Import to Store button, and just like that, the product is live on your Shopify store. It's that simple. But the automation doesn't stop there. Oberlo also helps you manage your inventory and fulfill orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store for a product you've imported through Oberlo, the app automatically pulls the necessary information. With a few clicks, you can then fulfill that order through AliExpress, and the shipping details will be automatically updated in your Shopify store. This seamless integration streamlines the entire order fulfillment process, saving you countless hours and reducing the risk of errors. Furthermore, Oberlo can also help you stay on top of product availability and price changes from your suppliers. If a supplier updates their pricing or runs out of stock, Oberlo can notify you, allowing you to make necessary adjustments to your store in a timely manner. This proactive approach helps you avoid selling products that are no longer available or priced incorrectly. Beyond the core features, Oberlo also offers valuable analytics that can help you understand which products are performing well and which ones might need some attention. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions about your product offerings and optimize your store for better results. Now, it's important to note that while Oberlo significantly simplifies the dropshipping process, it's not a completely hands-off solution. You still need to actively manage your store, provide excellent customer service, and market your products effectively. However, by automating the time-consuming task of product imports and order fulfillment, Oberlo frees up your time and energy to focus on these crucial aspects of your business. So, if you're a dropshipper using Shopify and you're looking for a way to streamline your workflow, save time, and focus on growth, Oberlo is definitely a tool worth exploring. It's user-friendly, powerful, and can truly transform the way you manage your online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.